Come, Abhishek, come. Over the last 12, 18 months, I've seen some great innings from you, but was this the best?
Obviously, it's a special one coming for the country. It's always a great feeling.
Did you almost feel that your style was suited for this pitch? Because you were hitting through the line, you were hitting, nothing was going wrong, everything was perfect.
I mean, yeah, I've told this before as well. I don't, I just, when I see it's my day, I always try to, go from the first ball. And obviously, the way coach and captain have treated me, I mean, from the first day, they always wanted this intent, and the way I'm playing, they always backed me. I think that was a special thing for me.
We got the impression sometimes that you were so ready for the shot that you were almost predicting what ball was going to come at you. Was there that sense in you that you almost knew what was coming?
No, obviously, when the opponents, they all are bowling 140, 150 plus, so you have to be ready a bit second before anyone else, and that was the plan. I just wanted, just react to the ball and just play my shots.
Now, when you hit the number of sixes and fours that you did, it's tough to pick one. But we thought the 6 over cover of Archer, but sometimes the batter thinks differently.
No, I think obviously when you are hitting the, world level bowler that over covers, it's always a special shot. But I would say the sixes I hit to the Adil Rashid as well, that was a special one for me.
And the drive down the ground, that was fantastic too.
Yes, obviously I remember that. That was the special shot which UV Paji mentioned last day, so he was happy for the shots.
So since you mentioned him, he always complains you don't make it big. Is he happy today?
Probably he should be, I think, after this, but he always wanted me to, bat till 15, 20 overs. And as I've been in this team as well, even Gauti Paji wanted the same thing. So I think today was my day, and I implemented well.
Well done, and congratulations, and I look forward to seeing many more of those in your hands.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
What an extraordinary young player we have in our midst in Abhishek Sharma.